this one I had to order because it just made me so curious. This one is called Butt Naked in Bed. And honestly, I just had to know what Crafter's Choice thought this smelled like. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Sarah, the accidental handmade business owner. And here on my channel, we talk about all things pertaining to having a handmade business and growing that handmade business, particularly bath and body products, from the ground up. So today I have an exciting supply haul. I've got some items that I haven't ordered before, and I'll of course go into everything that I bought and why I bought it, what products they'll go into or what I'm testing currently, and all of those kinds of things. So if you are interested in seeing the things that I bought from Wholesale Supplies Plus, definitely stick around. Let's go ahead and get into it. I did purchase everything with my own money. I'm not affiliated with Wholesale Supplies Plus. I just recently started ordering from them a couple of months ago. I haven't been, or I wasn't using them from the beginning, but I forget how I found them. I want to say it was like a fragrance calculator, because they have a fragrance calculator. I'm pretty sure that's how I actually found them, as a recommendation from a different soap making YouTuber, telling me that they, or telling everyone in a video that they used a fragrance calculator, and then they linked this one in the description box, and that's how I found Wholesale Supplies Plus. So first things first, another set of these jars. Now these are 4-ounce PET plastic jars, and I use these for 2 products now. Actually, I use them for whipped sugar scrubs and whipped body butter. Whipped body butter is the newest category that I have added, and I really enjoy making it. It's really like a different process, and it's a lot of fun. I will say that it is more challenging as far as like finishing the product or getting the product from your mixing bowl to your jar. You have to pipe it, and I don't know about y'all, but I'm not much of a baker, so for me piping is like my least favorite part of like making cookies or anything like that. So it has been a little bit challenging for me. I know that probably a little bit closer to summer, I'm going to be ordering a bottle filling like press, and I'll talk about that in a different video. I haven't quite decided on exactly which one I want yet. And I'm not ready to make the purchase yet, but soon, very soon, I will make that purchase. So I did get a set of these. They come in quantities of 48, I'm pretty sure. I think you can get maybe like 12. Like I think you can order like a dozen, or you can order a sample piece. But I go with 48 of those. And I just, again, really like the quality of it. And my order came in 2 boxes today. Oh, here's my little receipt. Oh, that's right, I got fragrances. I didn't think I did. Okay, cool. I always enjoy how they package, and I always save this because you never know when you're gonna need it. So to go along with those same jars, I ordered white lids. And these are all the 58-400 size. They're just regular white lids. I think in a couple videos ago, I had talked about how I wasn't sure like which way I was going with my jars, and like bottles and things like that. I wasn't sure if I was going black lid or white lid. I think I've settled on white lids. I just think it looks, I don't know, more refined, you know? I am feeling like a very big push on my packaging from like within myself to do everything I can to make that packaging super professional and make it look like it belongs in a store. So I just think personally for me in my business that the white lids would be a nicer touch. Okay, I did get 2 new micas. I got this new tone red mica powder that has kind of like a glittery shift to it, and this is a 2-ounce jar. And ooh, Boombox Blue, also in a 2-ounce jar. This is, I'm pretty excited for this one. have an idea for I don't know if I'm gonna do a body butter. I'll probably do a sugar scrub. I'll definitely do it as a sugar scrub, but I have, I wanna make like a summer, you know those popsicles, like the Bomb Pops, okay? I have a really good like popsicle fragrance that I have been enjoying, and I'm going to use these two to mix it into like a Bomb Pop whipped sugar scrub. So I'm pretty excited for that. Next up, I got some white caps, and these are size 24 for 10. It came in a quantity, I ordered the quantity of 48. And then this is just what they look like. They screw on, and then, that's nice, okay. The top pops like that. So I'll let you know more on that. My purpose for these in a moment. Next up, I have 16 ounces of mango butter. Okay, and this is the base butter that I am using for my body butters, is mango butter. I don't know why, I'm just always more drawn to mango butter over like a shea butter or like a cocoa butter. I've worked with all three. I like all three. All three have really great qualities. And I wouldn't say that one, in my opinion, is like superior to the rest. I just personally prefer working with and developing products based around mango butter. That's not a lot of mango butter though, so hopefully I thought about that and ordered two, but I can't remember if I did. Okay, these are cocoa butter wafers. And I got the ivory color. It came in like a natural color or an ivory color option, and I got the ivory color option, and it is 1 pound, so 16 ounces. And the reason I got these, the little wafers, the reason that I got this is because I'm gonna try something new with my bath bombs that I recently was thinking about, just to kind of make them a little bit more unique, a little bit more, you know, gift worthy, a little more attractive. As you know, selling these Bath and Body products online can be more challenging because someone can't come into your store and smell your bath bomb and know that it's going to smell great and their, you know, bath is going to smell great. So making them look more attractive, always a good choice. This is why I ordered these, and I'll let you know, I'll show you exactly, you know, what I end up doing with them as long as it works out. I ordered this giant mixing measuring cup, and it holds 3 liters. All of the ones that I have are quite a bit smaller. They hold closer to 3 cups. And yeah, I just wanted like one like jumbo sized one, so I got that. Then I ordered these sealed for your protection labels. They are the 58 millimeter size, so they fit on the top of those 4-ounce jars that I showed you at the beginning of the video. And this came in a set of 100. All right, I've got some grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil, which the grapeseed oil is going with my body butters. Oh good, I did order 2 mango butters. I was a little worried there for a second when I didn't see them next to each other. So I got a second bag of the mango butter. Here's my fragrances. I'm gonna save these for last. Now, the last 2 items that I got were these giant Crafter's Choice shower gels, crystal clear, and each container is 1 gallon. So I got 2 gallons of this. Now, all right, so I got the gallons for two reasons. First, I recently have been talking to a lot of people that are in my life, family, friends, close friends, etc. And just kind of asking them like, you know, hey, if I gave you these 4 options, which one would you most likely choose? And I went with a cold process soap. I didn't go into like all the fine details of each different kind of thing. What I did was just say, hey, here are your options. Which one would you pick? Would you go for a regular bar of soap? And by that, I meant a cold process soap. Would you go with a massaging soap bar, which again, for me means a melt and pour soap? Would you go with like a whipped soap in a jar or a liquid body wash? And absolutely everyone that I talked to said a liquid body wash 100%. They would be open to buying a bar soap, but they are much more likely to pick out a shower gel. So that is where I am going with these 2 gallons of shower gel, or excuse me, yes, shower gel. That's where I'm going with these 2 gallons. I'm going to make some test batches of shower gel and pass them out to all the people that helped me out and see what they think of it. Your family and your friends are always going to be your best product testers. Especially, you know, when you're just kind of starting out. Now, keep in mind, they may not always be 100% honest. They may say they like something and they don't. So, you know, I feel like we all have those family and friends that we can trust to tell us the cold hard truth no matter what. I'm very lucky to have that, at least for myself. So hopefully you feel the same about some people in your life. So that is, going back to these little caps, why I bought. So that is actually why I bought these caps, because a while back I had bought 8-ounce jars. But the lids that I originally got for them were not the right size, so I reordered new lids. I had a different idea, but I'm gonna go ahead and use all of those as body wash jars. So that's cool. Let's get to these fragrances because I am pretty pumped about them. Okay, sorry about that. My memory card filled up, so hopefully I wasn't talking for too long without you guys like noticing. So I just went ahead and unwrapped them, all 4 of my new fragrances, but I have not smelled them yet. I'm pretty excited. Okay, so the first one I have here is Cake Batter Ice Cream. All right, let's see. Oh, that smells so good. Wow. I'm not getting so much ice cream vibes as I am cinnamon roll. It smells very cinnamon rolly to me. Cinnamon roll-esque. This smells really good, but it gives me less cake batter and more cinnamon roll with like a hint of cake batter, but it is a very nice scent. Next up, we have Blue Agave Sugar. Again, a 2-ounce. Oh. This smells so good. This has a very, like, this has a very masculine, like, throw to it. Do I call it a throw if it's not on a candle? This, like, the air that wafts, super technical, the air that wafts after, or like with this fragrance, this Blue Agave Sugar, is very masculine, and I really like it. It smells so good. Yeah, that's gonna be a good one. Very nice and neutral, not overpowering, not like an Old Spice where you feel like you're drowning, or like an Axe body spray, nothing like that, but it just smells very nice and very clean, fresh. Excellent. Okay, this one I had to order because it just made me so curious. This one is called Butt Naked in Bed. And honestly, I just had to know what Crafter's Choice thought this smelled like. Okay. This smells good. Like, it smells really good, but I can't quite put my finger on what it smells like. I'm getting like a hint of cherry. Hold on. a definite hint of cherry. And maybe some like blossom. What an interesting fragrance. It smells good, and I think it's gonna be great as a fragrance for body wash. I just can't quite put my finger on what it smells like. Curious. Okay, and my final one was FAIRE Tropical. I did take this one in and out of my cart several times because I wasn't sure, but then I ended up getting it. I've got that butt naked one on my hand. Let's see what FAIRE Tropical smells like. Very fruity. This one again is another one that's super light, but it has like a good blend in it. Like you can't just put your finger on one thing that's in there. This one smells really good. Okay. Very nice. Y'all know I love trying a new fragrance. Okay. FAIRE Tropical. All right. I would definitely say my favorite out of those four was the blue agave. It just smells very nice, clean, and fresh. And also the FAIRE Tropical. That one's going to be a really nice one too. I'm still trying to place the scent inside of the butt naked one, but I cannot. I'm going to have to look it up. Look, check down in the description box and I'll tell you what like the scent notes that Wholesale Supplies Plus puts on their website. I'll let you know what they say the scent notes are and whether or not I agree with that. But it smells very, very good. It's very intriguing. That's it. We are done. So that was my haul of goodies or supplies that I bought from Wholesale Supplies Plus this time around. If you're still here, thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll hit the subscribe button and follow me over on TikTok at Lather Bath Co. or Instagram, same handle. Those are more based towards like trying to attract customers, not so much trying to attract like other business owners, just FYI. But I would really still love to have you there either way. If you have any questions about anything that I ordered today or just kind of want to chat, say hey down in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And I'll see you next week, Thursday, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.